When it's raining in West Bengal, Bengali love Elish. Let's start with the recipe.
Let's start the cooking, but before that I'll show you the ingredients. So I showed you the Elish much, the Hilsa. So I just cut it and I'm not using the Elish head. I'll prepare something else with that. So there is fish tail, leja, and this fish. And what else I have for this Zeera Elish? I'm cooking in mustard oil, and this is salt and turmeric, haldi powder, and I'm using green chili and Kashmiri Red Chilly Powder for the marination. This is Kalo Zeera or Kalonji, and this is Zeera powder. So I am using the homemade Zeera powder. I already shared about these spices, so if you want you can order from me, or else you can use anything, but I prefer the home roasted Zeera powder. So let's start the cooking. First of all, I have to marinate the fish. So turmeric powder and little bit of salt, and then I will add little bit of Kashmiri Mirch powder. That's it. Some mustard oil, and then rub it properly both sides, and I'll keep it for at least 10 minutes. So I will just rub it, and meanwhile I will come back. So the marination is already done, and I will start the cooking. And in this cooking, that Zeera Elish, I'm not going to fry the Elish, so just you have to follow the technique. I will heat some mustard oil, and have to wait. It's already heated because first I heated the kadai, and after that I put this oil. Now some kalonji or Kalo Zeera, and I have to fry till the smell is coming out. So the spluttering started. Now I will add the fish carefully here. This is one of the easiest recipe, and I'm not adding cumin powder or cumin in here, so that the Elish taste will be there intact. Otherwise, if I'll add the cumin at this stage, the taste will be evaporate or overlapped, you can say. That is the word actually. So first I have to just saute, not the fry. In a low flame, I just saute both sides. It will be like kacha Elish jhol. It's not the fried one. Now I will add this kacha lonka. So if you like kacha lonka, you can add more, but I'm not adding more. Now I will add water in it, so that the fish will be cooked properly. So I have to add the water, and already I used salt, and Elish is already a salty one, so I'm not adding salt, more salt at this moment. I'll check after the Elish is done. I'll check that if it's needed, I'll definitely add it, but other than that I won't add any salt. So now water is there, so that will be a gravy, and now I will cover it and leave it for 2 to 3 minutes. Let's see how much time it will take to be prepared. And now I'll open the lid and I'll check if it's done or not. Elish is a very soft fish. It won't take much time to be prepared or cooked. So let me check. Yes, you can see it's done already. Just I have to flip it. Yes, and now the Zeera, I will add some Zeera. I will add the Zeera powder, not the Zeera butter. So this is 1 teaspoon, not more than that. So it's done, and now I will switch off the gas. Entire cooking I did in low flame, not in the high flame, otherwise the Elish will be mushy. So it's done. The Zeera flavor will be there, but the Elish flavor, that won't evaporate or overlapped. And I will finish it off with some mustard oil. So this is the easiest way to prepare Zeera Elish. I'm going to enjoy it with plain rice. So do try this recipe and let me know. And once I serve with the rice, I'll definitely get back to you. So thank you for watching Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu. If you like this kind of recipe, definitely let me know and what kind of recipes you want to see. And to order food, you can always check Madhurima's Kitchen in Google or Facebook page, and even you can follow me in Instagram, Madhurima's Kitchen. And another thing, for candle or any sort of handcrafted gift or concrete art gift, you can check MaddyBee in Facebook, in Instagram and in Google as well. So I'm going to enjoy this Zeera Elish. So bye bye.